JetBlue 153, wind 1605, runway 13 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, JetBlue 153.
JetBlue 153, contact near departure, good day.
Departure 153. JetBlue 153, 1.3 for 5, heading 170.
JetBlue 153, you're still on tower, contact 59.
JetBlue 153, 1.5 for 5, heading 170.
JetBlue 153, radar contact. Proceed direct wavy, climb to maintain 12,000.
Direct wavy 12,000, JetBlue 153.
Ground, JetBlue 745.
JetBlue 745, ground.
Yeah, we saw a couple of the JetBlues just took off, a couple pieces. I'm not sure what it was. Houston chunks, maybe tire or something came off just south of Mike, kind of a beam where we are now, just off the runway, but they might want to go take a look and see what it is.
JetBlue 745, roger. JetBlue 745, you said it was by the Mike intersection you saw?
What?
JetBlue 745, you said it was by the Mike intersection?
Yeah, just past that for the way they're taking off, so I guess south of Mike, probably by 100 feet or so.
Roger, thank you.
JetBlue 153, New York.
JetBlue 153, guys.
Tower just called me. A couple of the planes reported something might have fallen off your airplane, possibly a tire.
Alright, JetBlue 153, we got a vibration here, we're trying to troubleshoot. Can we level off somewhere?
Yeah, can you level off? Do you want to level off at 4 or 5?
5's fine.
JetBlue 153, maintain 5,000.
5,000, JetBlue 153, and just some vectors here, obviously we're going to return.
Yep, no problem.
Approach for JetBlue 153, do you have any additional information? I mean, we're just trying to narrow some things down.
Let me call the tower back and see if I can get more for you.
Roger.
And JetBlue 153, they have a vehicle heading out there right now to check, but as far as the vehicle that saw you, they said it was a piece of debris, but most likely a tire.
Roger.
JetBlue 153, turn left, heading 310.
Left 310, JetBlue 153.
JetBlue 153, turn left, heading 130.
Left 130, JetBlue 153.
Yeah, I see a bunch of vehicles out on the runway right now. They're still looking. I'll let you know as soon as possible.
Roger.
JetBlue 153, are you getting any indications?
No, we're not getting any indications at all. The vibration stopped when we slowed down. So, yeah, we're still trying to figure that out.
Okay. Do you still have your gear down?
Negative. We pretty much start feeling the consistent vibration right after gear retraction.
Okay.
JetBlue 153, yeah, we're coordinating. It looks like we're just going to return to 153. Stand by.
Okay. So JetBlue 153, they found it. It was 3 pieces of metal. They can't really describe where or what part of the airplane it came from. The biggest piece was 3 feet in diameter.
Oh, wow. Okay. All right. Stand by.
JetBlue 153, turn right, heading up 300.
Right 300, JetBlue 153. Departure JetBlue 153.
JetBlue 153, go ahead.
Yeah, so we're gonna go back. What runway can we expect? We'll take T2 right, the longer of the T2s. Does that work for you guys?
Yeah, JetBlue 153, you can expect a visual approach from my 22 right if you can do that.
All right, copy that. Just give us a few minutes here. We'll get it set up, run a checklist. We'll be back with you. Thank you.
Yeah, let me get you headed up that way. Turn right, heading 040.
Thank you. 040, JetBlue 153.
And JetBlue 153, there's a longer landing distance for 22 left if you want to do that.
Yeah, actually, yeah, we'll take 22 left, 153.
Okay, I can give you 2 options. It'll be the RNAV X-ray, 22 left, or a visual approach 22 left.
RNAV X-ray.
153, expect RNAV X-ray, 22 left.
Copy that. JetBlue 153 will be declaring an emergency.
JetBlue 153, affirm, and whenever you get a chance, I need souls on board and fuel remaining in pounds.
JetBlue 153, souls on board is 165, and fuel in pounds, standby. Or weight, standby. And we got 4 hours of gas for JetBlue 153.
Can you, do you have the conversion for pounds?
4 hours and roughly 18,000 pounds.
JetBlue 150, roger. JetBlue 153, descend and maintain 4,000, contact approach 125.7.
25.7, 4,000, back to your L, JetBlue 153.
Take care.
Approach JetBlue 153, 5 for 4,000, heading 040.
JetBlue 153, make approach, fly heading 020.
020, JetBlue 153.
JetBlue 153, descend maintain 3,000.
3,000, 153.
JetBlue 153, reduce speed to 180.
180, JetBlue 153.
JetBlue 153, turn left heading 290, descend maintain 2,500.
290 down to 2,500, JetBlue 153.
JetBlue 153, turn left heading 250, join the final approach course.
250, join the course, JetBlue 153.
JetBlue 153, cleared RNAV X-ray, runway 22 left approach.
Clear RNAV X-ray, 22 left, JetBlue 153.
JetBlue 153, contact Kennedy Tower, 119.1.
19-1, JetBlue 153. JetBlue 153, inbound, 22 left.
JetBlue 153, Kennedy Tower, emergency equipment is standing by, wind 150 at 5, runway 22 left, cleared to land.
Clear land, 22 left, JetBlue 153. Wind check.
Wind 150 at 5.
JetBlue 153, we'd like to just pull off on Juliet, take a quick stop, make sure nothing is outside of the aircraft if they see anything, if not, we'll use this gate.
All right, JetBlue 153, right on Juliet, hold short of Zulu.
Juliet, short of Zulu 153.
JetBlue 153, contact 121.65, please.
Roger.
JetBlue 153 is Kennedy Drive. You can use this frequency to speak with the emergency vehicle to coordinate any thing that you want them to look at.
Roger that, we're on, we're coming up Juliet here.
You could stop whenever you like, and then the vehicle just, inspect your aircraft, and any questions you have for them, you may speak to them.
Roger. And trucks, you guys up for 153? Hey guys, we just want to see if you guys see any indications at all, any smoke or anything around the landing gear or the engine cowls in particular.
Copy, we're going to do an inspection, we'll let you know.
Thank you, the engines are running.
Copy. JetBlue Truck 1.
Go ahead, sir.
Just a negative, any smoke conditions.
Okay, you guys don't see anything at all, huh?
That's a negative as of now.
All right, 153, appreciate it. We're going to taxi in the power. Thank you for coming out, appreciate it.
Stand by, please.
Copy.
JetBlue from Truck 1, you're clear to proceed.
Great, thanks so much for your help. And ground JetBlue 153, want to stick with you or just go to 219?
JetBlue 153, you can manage this frequency. Do you know your gate?
Gate 15.
JetBlue 153, Juliet, cross runway 22 right on Bravo.
Okay, Juliet, cross 22 right on Bravo, JetBlue 1.